Follow me because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. These 6 fruits melt blood clots fast. Doctors shocked. Doctors have been left speechless by the incredible power of these fruits in naturally dissolving blood clots. We all know blood clots can be dangerous, leading to strokes, heart attacks, and deep vein thrombosis. But what if the solution to keeping your blood flowing smoothly was hiding in your kitchen all along? Today, we're diving into the surprising science behind 6 fruits that can help break down blood clots and improve circulation without medication. This isn't just another list of healthy foods. We're talking about real, science-backed solutions that you can start using today. First up, let's talk about pomegranates. These ruby red gems are packed with polyphenols that enhance nitric oxide production, which in turn relaxes blood vessels and prevents platelets from sticking together. Studies show that drinking pomegranate juice regularly can reduce blood clot formation by up to 36%. So if you've been skipping this fruit, it's time to rethink your grocery list. Next on the list is pineapple. Now, this isn't just any tropical treat. Pineapples contain bromelain, a powerful enzyme known for breaking down fibrin, the very protein that holds blood clots together. Research has shown that bromelain supplementation can significantly reduce the risk of thrombosis, making pineapples a must-have in your diet. Moving on to oranges, you might think they're just good for vitamin C, but there's more. Citrus fruits contain flavonoids like hesperidin, which improve circulation and prevent blood platelets from clumping. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed citrus regularly had a 19% lower risk of developing blood clots. That's a solid reason to squeeze some fresh orange juice in the morning. Then we have grapes, particularly the dark red and purple varieties. They're loaded with resveratrol, a compound that's been shown to act as a natural blood thinner. In fact, research suggests that moderate consumption of grapes or even red wine can lower clot risk and support overall cardiovascular health. So, while I'm not telling you to drink a whole bottle of wine, a handful of grapes daily might just do the trick. Berries are next, especially blueberries and strawberries. These tiny powerhouses contain salicylates, which have anticoagulant properties similar to aspirin. Multiple studies confirm that regular consumption of berries can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of clot formation by keeping blood vessels healthy and elastic. Finally, we can't forget about kiwis. These fuzzy little fruits pack a punch when it comes to heart health. Researchers found that eating just 2 kiwis a day can reduce platelet aggregation by 18%, making blood less sticky and less likely to form dangerous clots. Plus, they're delicious, so why not? But let's take this a step further. Did you know that incorporating these fruits into a balanced diet can also improve overall cardiovascular function? Beyond blood clot prevention, they help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support optimal blood pressure. For example, pomegranates have been linked to a significant reduction in arterial plaque, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Similarly, the high fiber content in kiwis aids digestion and further prevents excessive clot formation. If you're serious about keeping your circulatory system in top shape, consider pairing these fruits with other blood-friendly foods like garlic, turmeric, and leafy greens. Garlic, in particular, has potent antithrombotic properties, while turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. So, you might be wondering, How do you incorporate these fruits into your daily routine? The good news is, it's easy. You can blend them into smoothies, toss them into salads, or just enjoy them fresh as snacks. If you're feeling creative, try making a citrus berry smoothie bowl or a refreshing pineapple and kiwi salad. The possibilities are endless, and your health will thank you for it. One question I often get is, can eating too many of these fruits cause problems? While they are incredibly beneficial, moderation is key. Too much citrus can lead to acid reflux, and excessive bromelain from pineapples can cause digestive discomfort. Balance is always the answer when it comes to diet. Now, which of these fruits will you start eating more of? Let me know in the comments. Here are 20 tips and tricks related to blood clot prevention and natural remedies. 1. Eat pineapple daily. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down fibrin, the protein involved in clot formation. 2. Citrus fruits for vitamin C. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of clotting by strengthening blood vessels. 3. Pomegranate juice boosts circulation. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants that prevent platelets from sticking together, reducing clot risks. 4. Berries for blood-thinning. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with salicylates, which naturally thin the blood. 5. Kiwi reduces blood pressure. This fruit helps lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on arteries and preventing clot formation. 6. Papaya enzyme power. Papain, found in papayas, has anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent excessive clotting. 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your blood from thickening, reducing the likelihood of clot formation. 8. Garlic for natural anticoagulation. Although not a fruit, garlic is a powerful blood thinner that prevents platelet aggregation. 9. Turmeric and curcumin. A teaspoon of turmeric in warm water daily helps reduce blood clot formation naturally. 10. Avoid excess salt. High sodium levels cause dehydration and blood thickening, increasing clot risks. 11. Dark chocolate for circulation. Cocoa flavonoids improve blood vessel function and help prevent clot formation. 12. Ginger, as a natural aspirin. Ginger contains salicylates that prevent blood clotting, similar to aspirin. 13. Regular exercise is key. Physical activity keeps blood flowing efficiently, reducing the risk of clots. 14. Green tea for heart health. The catechins in green tea improve blood circulation and help prevent excessive clotting. 15. Flax seeds for omega-3s. These seeds contain healthy fats that prevent platelet aggregation. 16. Dark grapes for resveratrol. This powerful antioxidant reduces the risk of clots by keeping blood vessels flexible. 17. Apple cider vinegar for detox. It improves circulation and prevents blood stagnation that can lead to clots. 18. Tomatoes for lycopene. This compound reduces platelet stickiness, lowering clot risks. 19. Walnuts for artery health. Rich in omega-3s. Walnuts help prevent clot formation by improving blood flow. 20. Deep breathing techniques. Proper oxygenation prevents blood thickening and improves circulation naturally. These natural tips, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can help prevent blood clots and promote better cardiovascular health. Always consult a doctor before making dietary changes.